you get this sign, God they want make your blood flow like a pipeline. So me always for this cup with a red line. We guarantee if you put a boy on a headline. Right now my temperature boiling up. What? Reaction.
Boom! What's the word to Mr. Boy Terry Vlogs, aka The Reaction Boss? And I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. Now today we have a song called COVID-21. Now why you call this song COVID-21, sir? I don't know why. Artist name Eron B from Trinidad. He's also a YouTuber from Trinidad also. Shout out to you. Shout out to your channel. I think the channel name is what name? I'm gonna see it real quick. Some kind of EB family. Be Life Daily Vlog. Shout out to Uno. Is it me big up on himself? I soon I do nothing over Trinidad there, so one time. Is it me? I see what I go on for this video. Anyways, is it me? I go see what I go. Ready? Run through. Oh my gosh. Oh stop. The dog come out well probably with the acting for we already. The dog I push a piece or something. I don't know where I push, but in dress for the occasion. You understand me? Achoo, a sneeze and baiting ready. You got COVID. Go on.
Allergies. Big squad. Barjan, Southside. Yeah. While we down, we outside. Take time, Mr. Dirty Bad Mind. Stay 6 feet apart and you get kicked out the line. Alright. Right now my temperature boiling up. And a tear for me.
It's so like you said my temperature boiling up. While it's boiling up. One.
Kick out the line. Right now my temperature boiling up. And a tear for me eye, you know. Yeah. Me sense fake it around me, you know. Cause my skin just a itch like scab, you know. Allergic so bad man stay far, you know. Don't make me get sick of me warning you. They want see you dead and still par with you. COVID-21 is human, you know. 2021 that a my time. Violate the team that a prime time. Envy much worse than corona, me nah lie. But 7.6 are the vaccine for bad mind. Nah ignore.
Oh, which is only right. 7.62 is the only vaccine for bad mind. They want to care for bad mind. I'm tired for you about that still, like every song.
Oh, when you get this sign, God they want make your blood flow like a pipeline. So me always for this cup with a red line. We guarantee if you put a boy on a headline. Right now my temperature boiling up. And a tear for me eye, you know. Me sense fake it around me, you know. Cause my skin just a itch like scab, you know. Allergic so bad man stay far, you know. Don't make me get sick of me warning you. They want see you dead and still par with you. COVID-21 is human, you know. But if you get a youth if you make it. As you do something with your life, them a take it. Them never like you, they say you them favorite. And share you feel climb up the ladder then shake it. But me not fall, me take the zip line. Me money still a run the race in a quick time. Still a me 9 tucking the Calvin Klein. You man don't like it till you drought in a chalk line. Right now my temperature boiling up. And a tear for me eye, you know. Me sense fake it around me, you know. Cause my skin just a itch like scab, you know. Allergic so bad man stay far, you know. Don't make me get sick of me warning you. They want see you dead and still par with you. COVID-21 is human, you know. 2021 that a my time. Violate the team that a prime time. Envy much worse than corona, me nah lie. But 7.6 are the vaccine for bad mind. Nah ignore when you get this sign. God they want make your blood flow like a pipeline. So me always for this cup with a red line. We guarantee if you put a boy on a headline. Right now my temperature boiling up. And a tear for me eye, you know. Me sense fake it around me, you know. Cause my skin just a itch like scab, you know. Allergic so bad man stay far, you know. Don't make me get sick of me warning you. They want see you dead and still par with you. COVID-21 is human, you know.
Alright. It was cool, as you may say. It wasn't like a hot song that made me go crazy, as you can see. Just yes, I'm missing to the lyrics them. You see me give it like a 7. Yeah. It's alright, man. You do your tip. You do your thing. You know about like COVID-19 from Zuri, man. You know what I mean? But it's alright. As you may say, that go on good. Mother me, I'm out of here. Peace.